Hey everyone, welcome back to Vjkhan's Family Entertainment. In today's special episode, we're diving into the exciting and sacred month of Ramadan, which is just around the corner. Let's explore the start dates, moon sightings, and some interesting facts about this spiritual time for Muslims worldwide. Ramadan 2025 is expected to begin on March 1st, but the exact start date depends on the sighting of the crescent moon, which varies by region. Let's break it down by country. In Saudi Arabia, the moon will be sighted on February 28th. If they spot it, Ramadan starts on March 1st. If not, it'll begin on March 2nd. In the UAE, it's the same. The crescent moon will be looked for on February 28th. If visible, fasting will start on March 1st. Otherwise, it will begin on March 2nd. In India, the sighting will likely happen on March 1st. This means fasting will probably start on March 2nd, but the official confirmation will come from local moon sighting committees. Pakistan follows a similar tradition, with the moon sighting expected on March 1st. If seen, fasting will begin on March 2nd. And globally, many other countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Turkey, and Egypt are also looking at March 1st for the start of Ramadan, based on their local moon sightings. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset. The pre-dawn meal is called suhoor, and after sunset, families gather to break the fast with iftar, a meal filled with love, prayers, and community spirit. Ramadan is not just about fasting, it's about spiritual reflection, giving to charity, and strengthening family bonds. It's a time to reflect, grow spiritually, and come together in unity. And of course, the month concludes with Eid al-Fitr, a joyous celebration, which will fall on March 30th or 31st, depending on the moon sighting. So no matter where you are in the world, Ramadan 2025 promises to be a time of deep spirituality and togetherness. If you're fasting or simply observing, we wish you a blessed Ramadan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends to spread the joy and knowledge. This is Vjkhan's Family Entertainment, wishing you peace, love, and a blessed Ramadan ahead. See you next time.